morning, class. Today we are going to identify words that rhyme and words that don't rhyme. We are going to identify a series of pictures, and then we are going to select which of the pictures doesn't rhyme with the other two pictures. We will look at 3 different pictures on each sheet, and then we will select which one doesn't rhyme. I will do the first 2 slides, and you will do the 3 slides after that. So here we go. On this slide, we have a star, we have a hat, and we have a bat. Which of those 3 words doesn't rhyme? The word is star, because star does not rhyme with bat or hat. Bat and hat are 2 words that rhyme. Go to the second slide. Okay, we have 3 more pictures here. We have a boat, we have a goat, and we have a house. Which of those 3 slides doesn't match? If you guessed house, it doesn't rhyme. If you guessed house, you're right, because house does not rhyme with boat or goat. But boat and goat rhyme with each other, so that's why we selected house as the word that doesn't rhyme. Now we're going to go to the 3rd slide, and I want you guys to give me the answer after I read off the words. We have a train, we have a snake, and we have a plane. Which of those 3 words doesn't rhyme? Thank you, Anthony. You're right. Snake doesn't rhyme with train or plane. Okay, because train rhymes with plane, but snake does not rhyme with either of those 2 words. Now we're going on to the next slide. We have a king, we have a ring, and we have a bell. Which of those 3 words doesn't rhyme? Yes, Sarah, that's correct. Bell does not rhyme. Bell does not rhyme with king or with ring, but king and ring both rhyme together. Thank you, Sarah. Now we'll go to our last slide. Okay, we have 3 more pictures. We have a pail, we have a snail, and we have a cake. Which of those 3 words don't rhyme? Thank you, Tom. That's correct. Cake does not rhyme with pail or snail. Great job there, Tom. Because pail with the sun A-I-L rhymes with snail, S-N-A-I-L, which does not rhyme with cake. So that's how we identify rhyming words. Thank you all very much.